Hi, my name is Ryan, and I go to Monte Vista High School, and I'm a rising senior there. So the project I'm working with is the omnidirectional robot, and basically I've completed mechanical construction, almost at least, of the omnidirectional robot. So what I first did was I mounted all the motors on, and they're underneath this base plate, and they're sort of secured using the Vex metal shaft. So yeah. So yeah, and then I added the Omni wheels. I inserted them into the motor, and then I had these shaft collars here to avoid just any friction while it's rotating. And then I also added these little Vex metal reinforcements so the wheels won't just fall off. And I also added a switch, so now it can turn on and off. And for the joystick, I've implemented both joysticks and the keypad buttons, and I've coded everything. It's complete. What I've really sort of enjoyed about this entire process was seeing how this robot kind of developed into something step by step. It was really rewarding when it started moving and everything. So that's what I really enjoyed. The most challenging part was the coding and mostly the vector math. I had to do a lot of vector math. I ended up using the dot product rule to kind of figure out how much of each wheel I needed and the direction. And I also, yeah, so the problem was the rotation, and it had some, it was because the motors weren't really spinning at the correct speed. So I had to kind of mitigate that by guessing and checking and trying to figure out which wheel was rotating less than the other. And I've gotten it to a relatively good state, so it's not really rotating as much as before. But yeah, I can go in any direction now and can rotate around. And my next step is to move on to my modification. I'm planning to make it so it can be voice controlled. So yeah. Oh yeah, and this is how it works. This is, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, have you written the documentation? Like the stuff you're going to upload to Okay. So you can either build the robot, or you can make